down here in Old Town. What river is this? It could be the Penobscot. I think this is the Penobscot River. We're in Old Town, Maine, and this is like a little spot. It's like a wildlife section. People come down here and fish. It's really nice down here. I hope everyone's enjoying my vlog today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Let's see what else where we can go to.
Another dam over there with another river.
Oh yeah? It's on the other side.
Yeah, like two together.
This is nice.
Lots of wedges.
Tons of wedges. You want to come over here?
I wouldn't go down.
Well, you can go on the rocks right there. I'll go just a little bit. I know.
Much better.
Go down that way.
Down there. It's gonna hurt you. It's good. What up there? Grandmother's. It was always decent roots sticking out. You always had to watch how you're walking. Where we at, Cindy?
We are in Old Town. We're by this dam down here. And it's really pretty down here. Come on, let's go.
I think I hear an airplane.
We won't test those berries. When we came down here during the springtime, this right here is a university trail, and tons of people come down here and walk down this path. And during last spring, this place was tons of flowers, but I don't see any. There's probably some.
It's a lot of berries.
There's a lot of berries. What was that?
I don't know.
Are they orange?
They're kind of different colors.
These right here are like orange. I don't know what they are, but they're kind of cool. They're orange. They're kind of neat. We got these. Then we got these that are dark.
And that might be honeysuckle.
Those orange ones?
Yeah, the shrub known for producing translucent orange berries.
Oh, cool. Are they edible?
Don't know. I didn't.
See, those kind of berries, like those red berries and stuff, I'm very leery about eating those.
Well, toxic to humans.
They're what?
Toxic.
Yeah, see, they're toxic to humans. Yep, there's apples up there.
Oh, my love.
Let me see. Oh, there's some apples right there. Get a big stick. You got one?
I got mine.
Bite into it, see what it looks like. It's not bad. It's very sour.
We gotta look for red ones.
It's not bad, actually. Oh, my Lanta. The look on my face.
They're little.
These ones?
Yeah, they're cool.
These ones are little ones right here. They look like little apples. Of course, the little tiny apple ones are within reach. My word.
Is that on?
So we are going to West, what was it?
West Branch of Pleasant River.
In
Near Galapagos and KI.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is so cool. All these rocks. Hopefully we don't see no bear. I wouldn't mind seeing a moose or a deer. Hopefully. We are at point 12.
Going downhill. That's a good sign.
Oh boy. Whoops.
Kind of looks like, light over there.
I know,
Maybe there's a river.
it's like all light everywhere. It's like I saw a blue mark on the tree.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Those look like mushrooms of some kind. They look nasty, don't they? Ooh, look at that. You. You see it? Awesome. Something. It's a little bit rough stepping over here. There's another. Oh, look at this tree. I gotta watch where I'm stepping. Look at all the roots. OMG. I'm glad you changed your shoes, Bub. Okay. You see the river? Look, there's these rocks here. Check this out. See these rocks? Oh my goodness. It looks like it's all dried up. Oh, heck yeah. Hopefully I don't wreck myself here. Check out this cool branch, this cool. So there's a trail up this way. There's a cross too? So what do you cross this?
Well, if you want to keep going, you do it.
What?
Go out there, it's pretty, looking at the water drops on the water.
See, I don't know if I'd like getting my feet wet.
Oh, I wouldn't go in the water.
No.
Look down.
Oh, that looks so wicked cool. Hold on just one second. Let me get down here a little bit like this.
Does it stop raining? Benches over there too.
Is there? What?
Cool.
I bet you this place
Griffin.
is hopping back in the day.
Crowd up here.
There's the other side. So what's this place again?
The West Branch of Pleasant River.
The West Branch of Pleasant.
Pleasant River runs through Milo and actually into the Piscataquis River. It's the three rivers coming together in Piscataquis. It's Pleasant River, the Piscataquis River, and another river. I can't remember the other one. We'll learn it after a while.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Yeah, this dumps into the Piscataquis, and Piscataquis dumps into Penobscot.
Oh, that's so funny. That's so cool. Hey,
Yeah, you remember where we were last week? And you were walking by Pleasant River. This is the same. This is the West Branch. So, all right. So, you have Pleasant River, right? Well, it's got one branch, two branches, three branches that go to Pleasant River.
so
maybe four.
you think this merges into the regular
Pleasant River, and then Pleasant River merges into Piscataquis, and then the Piscataquis merges into
Penobscot.
that's the way it goes.
Oh, that's so cool. Like and follow for more. And yeah, we're gonna go back through, see what else we can get into. Come on, let's go. We are at Pleasant River Campground right here. Nice little campground. Nice little swamp area. It's a nice little swamp area. I don't know if I'd go camping in over here, but I'm sure first thing in the morning you can see a nice moose up here. Look at the river, look at the mountains. Look at these mountains too. It's raining today. Yep, here we go. Picnic table. There's another spot down here. It looks all swampy down there. Is this a trail up here? Maybe.
That was great.
This tree's cool. We are still at we're at the Pleasant River campsite now. This is a nice little spot. I don't know what those are. Yeah, they're flowers of some kind. Oh, look, there's little steps you can go down.
Yep.
Check this out. You can go on this pleasant stream. What? Oh, this is too cool. Look at this. Oh, look at this. I wonder what made that. Where is this?
Silver Lake.
This is Silver Lake.
We're in Brownville, between Brownville and Greenville.
You touched it? Ooh, he touched it.
It's gorgeous here.
It's awesome.
I don't know about swimming, but
Ew, I don't know about...
wading would be all right, I think.
All right, we are over here in, where are we, Gene?
Katahdin Ironworks.
Katahdin Ironworks. And supposedly this used to be a big oven.
They cook the coal down there.
They cook the coal down in
Coal,
here.
like iron.
Or iron?
Yeah.
That's where they cook the iron.
There too.
Right up there too.
If you look on the picture, you'll see there was 30 of them.
Over here on the
Yeah,
picture?
maybe. That one's all wore off.
All right. We'll see what this looks. See, in 1880,
This place was busy.
1880, this is what it looked like. This piece right here, this
that the
piece right here
Yeah.
is that right there. And there was a big,
Must have been a big station.
there was a big station right here.
On that side too.
And there was a railroad down in here. You can go in there, so we're gonna go check it out.
That's how we got here, was on the road. Used to be the railroad.
This road right here is how we got on here. See, this is where the station is. That's how we got here. That's where the railroad used to go. There was a big community here. This place was hopping back in 1880. But yep, you can go up in here. I don't know if you can drive. There was
I'm
a,
not sure what those were. There was something that told what they were, but I think it wore off. There's one over there.
yeah,
So we can see what that one's.
okay. These are the ovens down
Yeah,
here.
you gotta go inside and look up.
Oh yeah, we definitely have to go inside and look up.
Yeah, so you see that foundation around?
Right here,
That's the inside of a building. That was the foundation of the building.
this was the foundation of the
Back
building. Right here. All that cobblestone. Right in the back here. Right around here. Let's go see what this picture looks like.
What?
What? That looks creepy. I'm gonna go in there in a minute. Look at that. Check that out. That used to be an oven right there.
Metal.
A melting metal.
Coal.
Coal, metal ore.
Here they are. Look at them all. Only one remains.
One remains. One lonely one. This is what it looked like. Coal pins. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like back in the day when it was in operational.
That's the oven's right there.
The oven's right
You
there.
can see the top of it.
That's what that looks like. This one.
This must have been down in the
The casting
tunnels.
house.
Well, the casting house might be that thing over there.
It could be.
Yeah.
And then in the mountains, that's where it was.
Mile west. So it's only a mile from the top of the mountain.
Oh, this is what it looked like right here. The furnace. Lime and ore would go down in there,
Iron would come out.
and then iron would come out here. If you want to read that, pause and read her up. This is what it looked like back here. Let's go check it out. What is that?
Big Jersey, but right into the foundation. Those grew after the big mill.
I want to go in the oven. Oh, look at this side.
See that road keeps going.
I know, it goes up and over there.
Yeah, I think they used to be cabins for the mill. For the workers.
OMG, look. Ready? This is the door. I'm going in there. Ooh, this is gonna be creepy. It looks like they tore it up over there or something. Look, you can see through there. Oh my gosh, watch you guys, ready? This is the bottom of it. Watch, I'm inside. Look. Ooh, tell me this don't look like the ring. OMG. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at that. That is crazy. All this around here. All this pew. It stinks in here too. Pee. Ew. Can you imagine all that ore? All that ore is in on these walls right here. What? That's crazy. They've got some metal stuff over here so the rocks won't come down on you.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
To walk around the whole base.
Okay.
It's fun. Actually, it's starting to pick up rain though.
Is it? Okay, I'll do it quick. This right here was part of the building. Have this piece right here. This is the other part. Ooh, this is old. 1880s. This was in 1880s. What? Oh,
there's already the first peg.
Right there. Look at that.
Amazing.
Look how there's branches growing out of there. This is the other side. I was just on that side. Look at that. The walls right here.
The best camping spots in the whole KI.
Jean's talking about camping spots. Oh my gosh, this is so friggin' cool. This is down in Mount Katahdin. Katahdin Ironworks. That's what this is right here. This is so cool. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. See you later. Up there? Okay.
Yeah, see, it's the East Dam Road. I think it goes down in the wood there. To a dam, probably up on that river.
Probably.
Probably cool looking. Let's see the next time. Weird, huh?
Ew. It stinks really bad in there too.
Look at that.
This right here is the outlet to Endless Lake. And there's a couple of there's a river down here. It runs down. And then there's another river up here, runs down. It's beautiful right here. Oh man, it's so gorgeous.
Right on that hill, see? That's where I went down.
Right there?
Right on that hill. Overlooking all this beauty. Imagine waking up to this every morning.
So I think this is going to be the end of my vlog. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today has been a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell for my future uploads. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Oh, and in the description down below are all the links to all my social medias. Go check me out. Like, share, follow. And I'm usually on TikTok. So go check me out there. Follow and share all my videos. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on my next adventure.